Hello, I'm going to show off lots of some vehicles I get to ride around on. Here is my mini bike, currently out of service. There's its engine. It's a 3 horsepower Predator. Over here, I've got a homemade trike, maybe like 1980, 1990s area. Got another 5 horsepower Brigton Stratton on it. This here is my main bicycle. It's my dad's old hardcore mountain bike. And on the ground I got my other bicycle, which is out of service at the moment. I got my half torn apart pit bike with its front tire. There's my sister's bike. And that is it. Cool.